friends, welcome back to Roast and Relish. Today I am going to prepare tasty restaurant style sambar. So this is a very easy method of doing sambar using cooker. Let's see how to do this. For this we require 1 medium sized onion chopped nicely, 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped nicely, and I have taken radish. 2 radish I have peeled and chopped it in round shape. For this we require 1/3 cup of tur dal. So we have to wash it and soak it in water for a few minutes. And I have taken 1 big amla size of tamarind. Soak this in water and take the pulp out of it. The spice powders required are chili powder. I have taken 2 teaspoons. I have already mixed the coriander powder in it. Salt to taste. And sambar powder I have taken 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and asafoetida I have taken 1/4 teaspoon, and there is fenugreek seeds powder I have taken 1/4 teaspoon, and mustard seeds for seasoning. Oil I have taken refined oil for seasoning, and I have taken curry leaves and coriander leaves and garlic cloves 4. First take a cooker and add the soaked tur dal into it. We have to cook this in the cooker. In this we add 2 tumblers of water. I am taken this tumbler. I am adding 2 tumblers of water into it. In this, along with this dal, we need to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 small teaspoon of oil. I have added refined oil. Add asafoetida little bit and then add the garlic cloves. Now we need to cook this for 2 whistles. Now after 2 whistles the dal has nicely cooked. See you can see it has nicely cooked. We need to strain this water and nicely mash it using this wooden masher. So with this wooden masher I am going to mash it like this. So it should be nicely made into a smooth paste. Now take a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Let it heat. Now the oil is very hot. Let's add the mustard seeds. Let it splutter. Now add the curry leaves. Now add the onion. Saute it nicely. Now after sauteing the onions nicely, add the tomatoes and saute it nicely. Now after sauteing the tomatoes nicely, add the radish pieces. Let's saute this. Now let's add the spice powders. I'm adding the chili powder and add the turmeric powder. Add salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly. We need to add 1.5 cups of water. The same cup I am measuring. As we need to cook it fastly, I am going to transfer this into a cooker. I am going to cook for 2 whistles. We can also cook this in kadai. Close it and keep it in medium-low flame, and then you can cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. But now I am going to cook it in cooker. Now in the same cooker in which we have cooked the tur dal, we are going to add the salted tomato and onion gravy. We are going to cook this in the same cooker for 2 whistles. Now after 2 whistles I have opened the cooker. Now we will add the tur dal which we have cooked already along with the water, and I am going to add the tamarind pulp. Now allow this to boil for 10 minutes. Now as it is boiling, you can adjust the salt and chili powder if you want. I have added the right amount of chili powder, so I am adding little bit of salt after tasting it. Now after it starts boiling, you can add the sambar powder into it and the methi powder or the fenugreek seeds powder. Allow it to boil in medium flame. Now after 10 minutes of boiling, the sambar is almost ready. You can garnish with coriander leaves and you can keep it for serving. Now the yummy tasty sambar is ready. This goes well with idli, dosa and even pongal. The consistency should be like this. If you want thicker, you can allow it to boil for few more minutes. It will be very delicious. Make this delicious sambar and make your cooking special. So see you in the next video. Bye friends.